Now I need to make sure that the start chainage in my Excel spreadsheet is located here, okay, because ultimately this is where the variations start. So to find out where that location is, you can either use your grips. If you've got a sample line in that position, you can see we're getting that start chainage reported to us, or you can use the inquiry tool, which is found over here on the utilities panel, or in tool space found down here. And this is quite a neat tool because it reports a number of different things to you. Inquire results, snap to the spot that we want, and you can see there, yes, we've got 102.352, which is what I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to pop that back into the spreadsheet, pasting this number in here. All those numbers are now updated. Let's just save this and minimize. The Excel link can be accessed using this pull down on the ribbon or via a button found here on the tool space, which is this little Excel button down here. We can click on Excel link. Once we've clicked on it, we can then pick the workbook that we want it to read. So all we do is click the plus icon. Very simply, click on the little folder button and select our file. You can see there's our export that we created earlier. All you need to do is now click OK and tell it which sheet on that workbook you'd be reading, which, yes, we're reading sheet 1. The last part of this is to tell it what to read within this Excel spreadsheet, and we want it to read just simply the variations. So we're going to head down to the design data, click variation controls, click add action. All you need to do is now tell it which string it should be applying these variations to, which in this case is row E, and then where in that Excel spreadsheet it should be looking for those variations. Well, we know it should be looking from A1 onwards. We're going to click OK. Now, if you haven't created sample lines at the spots where this is happening, which if you're going to be using the Excel link, there's a high chance you won't have done, you can actually get it to read the columns of the Excel spreadsheet to generate the extra sections for you, which is something we spoke about in the first video. So we're going to go extra sections list, add action, and all we're going to do is pick row D and get it to read column C from the Excel spreadsheet, which is the first list of changes, and it's going to use that list to create extra sections for us, and then run it again. And because column D is slightly different, it's obviously got a slightly different end chainage, we're going to pick column D and click OK. Now we've done that, we'll just move this to one side. Let's simply click Run Excel Link. Now, if you've got this set up, all you need to do is just go back to that spreadsheet, change the start chainage, possibly change the wing widths if you need to, and the driveway width, but everything else is happening for you on your behalf. So we'll click Close, open up the design data form, and all of those variations have been made for us. So all we're going to do is now move the comment down to where the footpath adjustment was made. That means that basically all of those variations are being added automatically. So you can use the Excel link for a number of different functions to create a number of different variations, but this is a good example. As you begin to get used to operating Excel link, you don't actually need to run the Excel link every single time. To update your link, all you need to do is click Sync Links, and Sync Links will automatically read the link that you have created, meaning that those changes will happen in the background for you. If you'd like to get hold of the spreadsheet that we're currently using here, it's found in the description of all of the videos within this driveway series.